Hello guys, all welcome back to my channel, and this time we are gonna do my nails, and for that I am here to Disha Nail the Art, which is an amazing nail artist. So yeah, let's meet her. Bye bye. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Come.
Yes. So guys, meet my stylist Disha, who I just trust for my nails, and I don't trust anybody else because she is fantastic at her job. And yeah, let's get started. So guys, these are my nails which I got done last month, and now it's time to get them renewed and refilled. So yeah, this time I'm gonna go with some very summery colors, which is like yellow, gradients, and also some prints. So yeah, keep watching and see if you like it or not. See guys how easily and perfectly she has removed my previous set and made them ready for the new one, because I've seen people who make it very painful, but yeah, this girl is amazing, as I've always said. So I wanted a square shape this time. So yeah, she's trying to do that on my nails because I have a coffin shape and making them square is a task. So whatever she can do to make it a slight square, so she did that. wanted some yellow glitter on my yellow nails. That's what she's doing. I don't know if it's visible on the screen or not, but guys, it looked very pretty and very nice, and yeah, I loved it. Guys, so I want to tell you one thing, that whenever I go to Disha Nail the Art, I always have my references on so that she knows what I want and she does it the exact way, so it becomes very convenient for both of us to work together and be satisfied. So guys, you can see this is a very pretty tattoo which she is doing on my nails, and it's a sticker kind of a thing which was very fantasizing for me on the first glance, and yeah, I loved it. So I wanted some stones on my nails, so yeah, that's what we decided upon, that we'll do it on the gradient one so that it gives a pop to the nails and make the set look more pretty and amazing. And yes guys, if you don't want to go with the same set, what you can always do is you can get the gradient thing done on all your nails, because it looks very subtle and yes, trendy on the same time.
Who says that yellow doesn't look good on the Vita skin? It looks just amazing. They look perfect, and you're ready to rock, Shreya.
So guys, you can see I'm done with my nails and they look so pretty and beautiful, and this was all because of Disha. So thank you so much.
Most welcome.
And for my audience, I really want to ask you, like, what do we need to do to maintain these nails, and what's the duration when we need to get them refilled? So can you just explain a bit?
Yeah, so the first thing that I can tell you, Shreya, is that never use your nails as tools. Never use your nails to open a box or to pick up small things, because that will really ruin the tips of the nails. So A, that. B, never wear them for more than 3.5 to 4 weeks. Always come back for refills in time. We should always get them refilled in time and removed. If you want removals or refills, should be done by a professional very, very nicely. And anywhere after 3.5 weeks, you can come and get it refilled for a new design, and never use them as tools. This is the most important thing.
Okay, yeah, because the most difficult thing is when you eat food and you get those yellow stains on your nails. So is
Yes.
there any way to get rid of them?
No, just the only thing that we can do is that we can just clean them immediately with the nail polish remover, and we can wash them, and should keep cleaning them, and try not to dip your fingers into the food and eating it. That is the best way to do it. So with long nails, of course, you have to be careful.
Okay, thank you Disha for such an informative thing. And guys, as you can see, these nails are natural. There's nothing artificial. I don't have any extensions going on. So yeah, thank you Disha. And I hope you like this video guys, and for more such videos, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to it. Bye bye guys.